Make giving gift cards more personal by crocheting up this granny square gift card pouch. To make your gift card pouch, you're going to need a 3mm crochet hook, scissors, a darning needle, a little button to close it, and some yarn. I'm using Drops Saffron, which is a 4-ply, which is the equivalent of a US fingering weight. So I'm going to start by putting a slip knot on my hook and chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to join to that first chain with a slip stitch to make a ring. And then we'll chain 3. This counts as our first double crochet. We're now going to start working into that ring. So I'm going to put 2 double crochets in there. That's 1 and 2. I'm going to chain 2. This makes our first corner, and then put another 3 double crochet into that ring, and I'm going to work over that tail as I go. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 for the next corner, and then another 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 for the next corner, and we're going to put a final 3 double crochet into the ring. And chain 2 for that last corner, and then we're going to join to the top of that, chain 3. And that's our first round. I'm going to fasten off this colour. We are going to be changing colours after every round. So in any corner space, pop your hook in and pull in the new colour and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put 2 more double crochet into that same space. 1 and 2. And then we're going to chain 2 for the corner and put another 3 double crochet into that same space. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to go ahead and put a corner into each of the corner spaces. So we just go straight into the next corner with 3 double crochet. Chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet. Like so, and then you're going to repeat that in the final 2 corners, and then just join to the top of that chain 3 at the beginning, and then fasten off. Now this next round is the round that you will keep repeating to make your square bigger each time. So I'm just going to start off by joining in a new colour. I like to join just next to the corner. I'm going to chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet. I'm going to put 2 double crochets into that same space. I like to pick up my tail and carry it across to the corner so I can work over it as I go along. And then I'm going to put 3 double crochets into the corner space. That's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So now all you're going to do is every time you get to a space at the side, you're going to put 3 double crochet. So on the following round, you're going to have 2 of these spaces. You just put 3 double crochet into each space along the side, and then in each corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And we're going to finish that round as normal by joining to the top of that chain 3. So we'll fasten off and change colours again. So you go ahead and keep adding rounds to your square until you have a total of 7 rounds. Now once you get to round 8, you're going to start off the round just as you would normally, working all the way around, and then in one of the corners, instead of chaining 2 for the corner, you're going to chain 4 or 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many chains you need will depend on the size of your button. So for my size of button, a 5 chain is good. If your button's a bit smaller, you might want a 4 or even a 3. And then you're going to finish off the corner as normal with 3 double crochet. Like so, and there you've got that slightly longer loop for the corner for your button clasp. And then you'll just finish off your granny square as normal with a granny cluster. That's 3 double crochet in each space across. So I finished my granny square. I'm just going to take a darning needle and some of the yarn that I used for the outside colour. So you want the same colour as your last round. Just going to thread that on there. So you want to have the little loop at the top here for your button, and then you're going to fold the sides in and the bottom up. Now you want it to be so that this corner from the middle, from the bottom, is going up, and it's going to meet these sides, but these sides won't meet each other. This gives your gift card holder a very slightly oblong shape rather than a square shape. So you're going to join in your yarn at this corner here, and then just sew through the back loops across, and then back down to this side, and then fasten off. Then just take that tail in through to the inside and hide that end. And all that's left to do is sew on a cute button, and there you have your finished gift card holder. If you were looking for more quick and easy festive makes, then check out my Christmas playlist right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.